Now, the one wey dey confuse me pass na the rate of doctors, pharmacists, pharmaceutical companies, nurse, mobile doctor, mobile physiotherapy, mobile psychologist wey dey TikTok, in fact wey dey internet now. Make I sha remind una, that time when I dey go school, I know say una get some colleague wey dey medical school wey you know say dey do step down, some wey you know say dey expel, some wey you know say dey no dey get class, you know for una hostel, una wey stay for hostel go see dem, you know dey no dey ever go class, dey dey there. Country now don carry another shape now. Everybody just dey talk, drink ginger, drink clove, no drink ginger, sleep, no sleep, eat after 8, don't eat after 8. The other man talk say if you chop swallow around 6, make sure say you waka, or for night, if you must eat swallow in the night, make sure that you stroll after eating swallow. Who go chop swallow finish get strength to stroll? You just download better egusi soup now with for people wey dey chop fufu now with like 4 wrap of fufu around that kind 6:30 or 7. Who can't get that strength to stroll? Now just dey make person. Sometimes you get video wey go see like this. The other one, Aboroko doctor been waiting say whether make you no stand the peace as a man, sit down for the WC guy. You can't stand for the WC. You can't hear another person go tell you sitting in the WC. Waiting dey happen. What is happening? Eat this one, don't eat this one. You can't be like saying a competition, they counter the thing. None of them get very corresponding principle. They will just talk this one will come talk this one will come talk this one. Make a shout out. So when they go law school, nobody they fair for the law school because everybody when they go that law school, if they just come outside, first class. Una know they fail.